Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a 3-frame video on Instagram. First, open your preferred video editing app on your phone or computer. Next, select 3 short video clips you want to combine. These clips should ideally be related to tell a cohesive story. Ensure each clip is trimmed to a suitable length, typically under 15 seconds, for optimal viewing on social media platforms. Once your clips are chosen, focus on trimming them precisely. Aim for each segment to be between 5 and 15 seconds long to keep viewer engagement high. Pay attention to the aspect ratio of each clip. Consistency is key for a professional appearance. Many apps offer tools to crop or adjust dimensions, ensuring your videos fit together perfectly without awkward black bars. Now, it's time to arrange your clips into a 3-frame layout. Most video editing apps have collage or split-screen features that make this easy. You can place your videos side by side, one above two, or any other creative arrangement. Consider how the frames interact visually. Also, decide if you want synchronized audio across all clips or if muting some for background music is better. Finally, export your completed 3-frame video. Choose a high-definition setting, like 1080 pixels, to ensure the best quality on Instagram. Once exported, open Instagram, select your new video, and add any captions, hashtags, or music you like before sharing it with your followers. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy seeing your creative multi-frame video go live.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.